You might think these are real gems, but they're actually eco-gems made from upcycled glass bottles.
It's just trash, but we make it luxurious and beautiful.
It takes talent to turn trash into treasure, and jewelry makers Suye and YJ collect glass bottles from downtown LA restaurants and upcycle them into high-end jewelry. So high-end that it's been featured in fashion magazines, runways, and even worn by celebrities. The business is named CLED, which derives from the word cycled, like recycled and upcycled, but it's also an acronym for Conscious Lifestyle, Earth-Friendly, and Ethical Design.
My partner and I went to the beach cleanup before launching this CLED in 2017. And we saw the plastic and other trash, but we saw the glass. The color was beautiful, and it was great. Maybe we can just use it as other component for jewelry.
Their jewelry collection will make you want it all. They have rings, necklaces, charms, and bracelets. And much like diamonds, each design is unique and one of a kind, even though they're made from the same material.
From this one bottle, it depends on the styles, but we can make like 20 to 30 eco-gems. As you can see all the bottles colors. We try to use all the original colors of bottles, but then if we want to add like pink or yellow, we use the enamel with the clear glass.
So how do they do it? Well, they first clean the bottles, cut them open with a torch and knife, then flex the glass in the kiln or cut it into strips to use it on the glass blowing base. Then after some water jet cutting and polishing, they end up with a beautiful shiny eco-gem. And don't worry about the glass that doesn't get used in jewelry. It's upcycled into other products like jewelry trees, trays, and candles. CLED believes in fully using the materials to ensure there isn't any waste, given that the United States recycling system is already flawed.
In the US alone, we only recycle 32% of glass bottles. A lot of people don't know, but if the glass is broken or crushed, it's actually harder for the glass companies or recycle places to recycle it. So it doesn't actually get recycled.
CLED is also conscious of fast fashion, which is the second biggest consumer of water and responsible for about 10% of global carbon emissions. One of their main goals is to reduce the environmental impact of jewelry making without compromising design or quality.
There's a lot of plastics used in jewelry. It could either be from the glue setting or just any kind of plastic component that's put together into the metal. Those will eventually just come apart because it's cheaply made. But we use, the traditional jewelry techniques where everything's set by hand without any glue.
But of course, no good deed goes without skepticism from the masses. CLED has faced the challenge of trying to change people's minds about upcycled jewelry and proving their products are zero waste.
We want to change how people see fashion. It should be sustainable. Upcycling should be the norm. I've seen more and more people using discarded glass in different ways, a lot of lifestyle products. I think it's a good thing. We don't see it as competition, we see it as this should be normalized.
So what's next? Well, Suye and YJ are now looking to officially launch a house decor line to show how much can come from upcycling waste material.
We just want to show that, upcycling can be beautiful and luxurious. You can find beautiful products that are also upcycled. Instead of using new materials, we can keep things circular and reduce your carbon footprint.
We'd like to thank Corona for sponsoring this episode. Corona partnered with Oceanic Global to help protect our beaches nationwide. Together, they're on a mission to remove 1 million pounds of plastic from the beach and the Corona business by 2025. To learn more, visit www.coronausa.com.